Yo, back in this bitch. Barn. The account is at $87. I know I ain't been in this bitch in about 4 days. Because the reason I've been in my head is because I had to analyze why the fuck I was fucking up and let me fix my shit and stop forcing shit. So I kind of just been laying off the charts a little bit. But I still been watching them, but I haven't been really taking no setups. I only took 2 setups this week. A gold L because I wasn't paying attention and I lost $16 and I had to put in $28. And then this morning I took a USD CAD setup because you look at the structure on USD CAD. The shit looks smooth and we on that bougie, yeah. We on that bougie, yeah. What the niggas say? When you leave in the club, hide you from you to come over, girl. Oh, tonight. No. Whatever the fuck he said. But let me just go over these shits, man, and y'all can look at the account history. And you see $43 W. I deposited $28. The account was at like $40, 40 some dollars. Took an L on gold because I just wasn't paying attention to it. And it created a higher low. And then by the time I looked at the charts again, I was already getting reversed on. So I just took that L on the chin and just put $28 in so I can trade gold again, but ended up seeing a USD CAD setup this morning, so I took it, and I can show y'all. Oh shit, wrong shit. So right here, $43. It was the account was at 4306, and I fucking was up $43, and I closed around this zone, and so this is my group chat of the niggas that I be teaching how to trade also. So that's what it is. You can't be in there because it's just me and my niggas. But anyways, I want to break down the charts for you and the mistakes I was making and why I was making them and what I learned and what I fixed. Because last week I stayed in the house after I seen the Michael Jackson movie, and I just chilled in the house the whole weekend and didn't really fucking do shit. And I was like, all right, let me look over these charts and analyze the charts and like, what am I doing wrong? Why am I doing it wrong? And really, it just boiled down to shit I already fucking know I used to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I already know how to fucking trade. It's just me trying to sit here and flip this account and do it on YouTube and shit and trying to grow this shit. It's kind of been like me. I've been trying to force trades and shit and setups that ain't there just so I can, like, you know what I'm saying, get this shit faster and show niggas that it's possible. But the reality of it is, you can make fast money in this bitch, but it can't be forced. You try to force it, you're gonna fuck yourself. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take this shit slow, like I do your girl when I'm on that bougie, yeah. You know what I'm saying? And when she asks why, tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do it that way? And I say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do it that way? Oh, do it that way. Oh. He's like, what did the nigga say? See that girl? She likes to be a star. I don't know what the fuck, man. I can't even. Voice all dry. I just came from the gym and shit. I'm ready to fucking lay down. But anyway, yeah, I can't be taking bullshit ass setups, man. It's like when you trying to surf, man. You gotta let the wave come to you. You can't chase the waves. You know what I mean? So that's what trading is. I'm forcing shit, but I can go over some of my mistakes and hopefully it can help your ass avoid them and avoid some mistakes that you've been making. And I just want to analyze the charts. But talk about Bitcoin. I'm gonna talk about the first mistake I was making, and then we're gonna talk about Bitcoin, gold, and USD, JPY, and all that shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna make this video too long, but I'm pretty much was trading shit that ain't moving, that's really just consolidating, and that was the first thing. And the second thing was I was not paying attention to the market structure change. You know what I'm saying? And I was trying to marry my trade. So I've seen that also, and I just want to go over some of my L's that I took and what I did wrong, so maybe y'all can have an understanding on what y'all can fix if y'all watch this shit for some insight. But I took this buy right here. Price stops below here. Price created a lower high. I didn't get out. That signs of bearish momentum. And then I took a Solana setup, kind of like what Bitcoin was doing. And first mistake was I was trading Solana, and Solana's moving like shit. I should have took this Bitcoin setup because it was the same setup as it was Solana, because crypto, everything follows Bitcoin. So I could have took this up to this level of sellers and made profit instead of trading Solana. And I'm over here trying to trade Solana, and it's honestly just has no volume whatsoever. So that's why I took it off of my watch list. But if you look at Solana, you can see on a 4 hour time frame, how this shit has just been shitty. It's just shitty structure, and I'm over here trying to trade it. That was another mistake. I'm over here trading shit that is just not moving. It's not showing me clear direction, and it's not giving me what I'm looking for, you know? And look at this shit. It's just bullshit, sloppy consolidation. Yeah, you can take some W's off this shit, but nigga, you want to trade shit that looks like it did in the past, where you can just see the smooth structure. This is a lot of money. This is money right here. This is money. When the shit, this is a little choppy, but this right here is money. This is money. This is money. You know what I'm saying? If you don't see a trend, you don't get in. But this right here is money. You know what I mean? The smooth structure, the smooth, all these moves compared. Look at all that shit. Look at all this. Look at that trend. Look at that trend compared to what the fuck is doing now. Which you're not getting those same moves. You're just getting this bullshit, and it's not enough moving. That's another mistake I was making. I was trading pairs that wasn't moving. So with that being said, look at USD CAD, and the reason I took this sell, because I can see USD CAD on the 4 hour has been giving clear structure. You want to see the structure, and it's been moving. Look at it. It's moving. Look at that, moving. It's moving. It's clear. It's easy. You want trading to be easy. Look at how smooth this is. So, you know what I'm saying? Even look at gold. You want to, I'm saying, I'm trying to force shit that ain't there. Look at gold. Look, you want to see the smooth structure, the movement. You want to see the trend. You want to see it. Look at this, the movement. Look at this uptrend. Look at the downtrend. You can see the movement. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting here trading fucking crypto, and crypto is just moving like shit right now. And I'm trading USD JPY, and USD JPY, look at it. It's sitting there consolidating, no structure. But back then when I had $900 a day off fucking USD JPY in fucking 6 hours and shit, look at that. That's when it was moving smooth. You want to see it move like this. Like you want to see, look, you can see that structure moving clear as day. You can see all the movement. And then this is bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So, and this is more bullshit, but you can see this structure. So that was another mistake. I was trading pairs that just wasn't moving. Instead of just leaving it alone, I'm trying to force it just so I can flip the account and make money. But really, in all reality, I'm losing money that way. So that was another mistake. So, yeah. Finally, last night, USD JPY broke out of this consolidation zone that it was sitting at for like a fucking month, a month and a half. Literally, I even look at the weekly time frame. You can see price been sitting there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, bro. It's a month and a half. So it finally broke out last night. Yeah, this morning. So, boom. Now we can probably see some good structure on USD JPY, like a 4,000 point move. So if I was up for that setup last night, I was knocked the fuck out. I would have made some dog shit, bro. I would have flipped that $40 into probably like $200-300, bro. No cap. Like with trading, bro, you can make money fast if you're setting yourself up. If you're trading shit that's moving and you're actually trading the trend, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not the choppy bullshit. So from now on, I'm only trading shit that's looking smooth, moving smooth, and I'm not forcing setups. I'm letting shit come to me. That's what the mistakes I was making. And yeah, that's why I was taking L's. The reason I took an L on gold is because I tried to trade at the bottom on a sell, and it created a higher low, but I wasn't paying attention. Like right here, created this higher low, and I did, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't paying attention to the market, and it already came back up and swept me out. That's why I took that L. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? I missed this whole move. I missed this fucking move right here on gold, which would have brought the account. I would have probably, even when I was at the $32, I would have made a couple $100 off this. So it would have put the account like at $100-200 off of this move, because you see price broke this higher low, hit this level of sales, create another lower high, broke a higher low, created a lower low, and then another lower high, and then it dropped all the way down to here. So that would have been a good trade. I missed it, didn't take it. Dumb as fuck, but oh well. I'm not going to dwell on the past. That shit's stupid. It's pointless. So, yeah. But that's pretty much it. Bitcoin, it looks like it's bullish, but I'm staying away from it because it just hasn't been moving like, you know what I'm saying, it's supposed to. Like, I don't see the smoothness in it. This was smooth. This little downtrend was a little smooth. You see the break of this zone and a lower high be created, and then it come down back to here. But this is, I'm saying, I don't want to keep trading bullshit, so I'm staying away from shit that ain't trending. USD CAD has been trending. I got out right here. I could have fucking held this shit, and I even said in the group chat that I kind of wanted to hold it. If I can say it, played out smooth, and then I said, the fuck did I say? Nigga scalping shit. Oh, would have been I don't know what I say. Breaker structure, another higher low setup was clean last night. That was good. And I said I wanted to hold my trade. USDJ by that crazy ass move last night. That's like I wanted That's like a 1 to 35. But USD CAD has some clean traffic, so I decided to fuck with it. Only trade shit that looks smooth. Watch me run this shit up. So that's pretty much what I said, because I've been bullshitting. So yeah, just trying to fucking not trade shit that looks sloppy. I'm only trading shit that looks good, and if it don't look good, then just leave it alone. And I really haven't been trading this week. I only took 2 setups this week, a gold L and then a USD CAD W. So I'm just gonna keep trading the trend and trading shit that looks smooth. If it don't look smooth to me, I'm gonna leave it alone. I need that clean traffic. If the market just doesn't move, it just doesn't move. I'm not gonna force shit no more. And that's what I was doing. That's why I was fucking up. But yeah, also I've been trading outside of session. You see, this is Tokyo, this is London, and you see New York had that push. And then USD also is London, and then New York had that crazy ass push. So I've been trading Asian session like a dumb fuck and fucking up also. So that's dumb as shit. So as you see, last night it was Tokyo, and then London and New York had the push. And then Tokyo, and then look, Tokyo session. Sometimes the goal will give you a setup during Tokyo session. It just happens sometimes, but really it gave you this setup during London and New York. You could have gotten down that lower high and just rode the trend. And then it had that pullback during Asian, and then London session, it had that first push. That's why I say I've been trading outside of sessions, so I kind of just want to stick to the sessions and trading pairs that look smooth instead of bullshit. As you see, this was Tokyo, this was London and New York. Tokyo, London, and New York. So just trying to trade during sessions. So I think I'm gonna switch my sleeping schedule around, and yeah, switch my sleeping schedule around. Might go to start going to the gym at like 2 in the morning again, so that way I can just be up, and then as soon as I get home, I can just go straight to bed like at 5:36 after I walk Rambo, because you know his punk ass needs to always be walked because he's making all that fucking noise in the background. So yeah, just focusing on my discipline for real. I want to become the best version of myself, and then I realize also that I expect a lot from myself, and the more that I bullshit and don't do the shit I say I'm gonna do, then I'm just doing myself a disservice. So I'm trying to lock in, and I ain't trying, nigga. I am locking in and doing what the fuck I was supposed to do, staying disciplined, because discipline is scary to other motherfuckers, and just holding myself accountable for shit and trying to do shit, knock shit out. So I'm just everything needs to be right. My whole psychology level, nigga. I've been listening to audiobooks. Oh, I've been doing that, but I'm still listening to audiobooks, improving myself, getting better every day, making sure I'm healthy, getting healthier, eating clean. I've been eating clean for the past fucking 2 weeks. Like everything, I'm just trying to get right. Ain't no way I can sit there and expect something from somebody else, you know what I'm saying, that's close to me, or friends, family and shit. I'm not even on my shit, you know what I'm saying? So, and I can't be out there talking shit about motherfuckers, and I ain't even on my shit. You know what I mean? Like jokingly though, like I talk a lot of shit, but you know what I'm saying, only to the people that I'm close to and I know. But I can't be running my mouth, nigga, and a nigga got shit on me. A nigga can't have shit on me. A nigga can't tell me I'm broke. A nigga can't tell me I'm fat. You know what I'm saying? I don't need none of that. A nigga can't tell me I ain't handsome. You know what I'm saying? Like I have to have all the advantages. In order the way I'm gonna have all the advantages, if I put in the discipline, the consistency, and I stay on my shit. So that's what I've been focusing on. I ain't even been drinking. I ain't even been drinking either. Damn. Yeah, I haven't been drinking. I really don't drink that much to begin with, but the past like 6, 7 months, nigga, I was drinking a little more than I usually do, but I don't know. I'm just burnt out at all that shit. All that I tried the whole shit. Man, that shit is all ass, bro. I want millions. I want millions and millions and millions of dollars. I want freedom. I want, you know what I'm saying? I want discipline. No, I wasn't. No Diddy, bro. That shit sounded wrong. I want, you know what I'm saying, discipline, and you know, just to be the best version of myself, you know what I'm saying? The one thing we can't get back is time. So if you're wasting time, what the fuck are we doing? If you're not trying to get in the best shape of your life, what the fuck are we doing? If you're not trying to get millions, then what the fuck is we doing? Don't be around me, you know what I'm saying? If you ain't trying to fix your whole situation, just in general, whatever you're going through, you ain't trying to fix it, you ain't trying to improve your mental health, you ain't trying to improve your physique, you ain't trying to get some money, financially, physically, spiritually, whatever the fuck, bro. If you ain't trying to be the best, then what the fuck are we doing? You know what I'm saying? So I'd rather be isolated and by myself than to be surrounded by people that, first off, ain't got no goals or ambitions, or they ain't got no fucking nothing going for themselves. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I don't want to yap too long. Hope y'all watch these videos and take something from this, just like I be taking your girl's ass cheeks. Oh shit, what? But other than that, man, I'm out, man. Expect another video next week. If I'm not taking no setups, I'm not finna fucking post no video because it's pointless. But alright, I might just drop like video updates. on what they're looking for on the charts. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. We out.